Rosie, what are we making today?
We're making protein waffles.
We are. Mommy makes these protein waffles that are so easy and delicious. We had to share the recipe. Rosie, give me 2 eggs in the bowl, please.
We forgot olive oil.
But I'm going to use coconut oil for this one.
Dad, let's do olive oil.
Olive oil?
Yeah, let's go get olive oil.
You got to go all the way to Rosa's corner. I can't fit down there. Get me a good bottle of olive oil, Rosa. It's avocado oil.
I want to do avocado oil.
Okay.
You hold it now first.
I don't like the sound of that, but okay. 1 tablespoon. Perfect. According to Mother's recipe, we need 1/2 cup of milk of choice. I love the comments on Instagram. They're like, the backwash. How can you do that? I'm like, who cares about the backwash, folks? Thank you. Teaspoon of vanilla goes in. Flour.
My favorite. My favorite.
1/2 cup of Rosie. In the cup, thank you. Every video is another health code violation around here. 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we called it protein waffles in the beginning. We got Daddy's vanilla cream protein here. Every scoop has the grass-fed whey, but it also has 10 grams of grass-fed collagen. It's got the reishi and cordyceps, which are great for your mental clarity and focus. And no gums, oils, emulsifiers. And vanilla cream is the lowest net carb I have at 8 net carbs. We'll put 1 full scoop of the protein in there. Most makers are Teflon coated. I found one on Amazon. That's ceramic, non-toxic. All right, we'll toss a few of these blueberries into the batter while they're resting. 10 minutes later, this is the texture. It looks loose, but it's totally fine. A little bit of avocado spray from Costco. You fill it up. Good. That's good. No, it's gonna overflow. It's gonna overflow. No. Stop, Rose. No. It looks like the steam is dissipating. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that waffle. Ooh, that waffle, Rosie. That's hot. There we go. Let's put some more batter in the waffle maker. If Desi says it looks good, we did a good job.
It's a waffle that's a little bit on the pancake side. It's like a soft waffle / pancake.
Okay.
But you can't get that texture in the pan because it's too loose.
Waffle and cake.
It's a...
Mommy!
What is
Or
it?
a poffle. It's a poffle. Plate these waffles.
No, Dad, put it like that.
Put them flat like that?
Yeah, just do it like this.
Sure. Oh, so pretty.
And now we'll drizzle maple syrup.
There you go. Perfect.
Wow.
Some creme fraiche. Good job,
That's
Rosie.
epic.
Wow.
Yummy waffles.
It's a low carb waffle. The only carbs comes from a little bit of tapioca starch. My protein is low carb. Almond flour is low carb.
Low carb and high protein.
High protein. High five. Crushed it. High five.
You. High five.
Oh, dang it. All right, we'll type up Desi's recipe. Put it down below. Grab a bag of protein, shopflavcity.com. Vanilla cream is the bomb, and we'll see you later. Bye.